How to find trending TikTok sounds in 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find amazing TikTok trending sounds through following simple steps. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up the TikTok application on your mobile. Afterwards, you're going to go into the discover option or tap on it, that is just beneath or at the bottom of the screen along with the or beside the home. So when you tap on the discover option, you'll have a page open. Now it consists of a lot of options. For example, the Batman, which has 2.2 billion sounds or TikTok trending sounds. Then there is dinner recipe, women in gaming, doors versus wheels. So whenever you tap on one of those, so you can join this hashtag, click or tap on the right bottom corner of the screen. You can eventually use that sound. This is how you do it. This is how you see or find trending TikTok sounds in 2022. Basically, it is what it is. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace out, everyone. Till next time.